Hello, in this video we're gonna change the fuel filter, which is this one, in a Volkswagen Jetta 2013. The engine is the 2.5 liters, 5 cylinders. It goes in the rear part of the car, in the right side. And just as a note, the fuel filter specification should be to work with a pressure of 4 bars. The first step will be disconnect the 3 lines that go to the fuel filter. We're gonna push this clip and at the same time pry out the line. We'll do the same with the second line. Press the clip and push the line out. Now to have more space to work, I'm gonna remove this plastic clip. And now let's disconnect this third line. Let's bring the new filter and let's install it. Now what we're gonna do before we turn on the car is open and close the switch several times. I will say at least 4 times, to create fuel pressure within the system, because since we disconnect the fuel lines, we lost the pressure. Now we're gonna turn on the car and go and check if we have any leak. We have no leaks, and with this we're done. Thank you.